Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm making smoothies today. I already made mine. And I'm gonna make my special guest one. Drum roll please. My brother and our kitty.
Hi, my name is Kitty. My name is actually Rocky. Hi guys.
And then my brother's name is Adrian. Put him down. So, like I already said, we are making smoothies. Let him go. So first, you're gonna need some strawberries,
Some kitties.
and just put it in. Put the kitty in there.
Go. Yeah, go.
So you add your. That's enough. Your strawberries. Can you throw this away in the big trash can? So add this much strawberries, and then
Strawberries?
and then you add raspberries.
Oh, raspberry. I want to have some.
And that's
blueberries.
okay. And
Blueberries.
you add blueberries.
Well, I'm gonna eat.
Yeah, he's gonna eat some because he loves blueberries.
And when my dad had blueberries in San Francisco, I
He
think
had,
it cost $5 or something.
No, it was, or maybe there was like
Five.
this one.
And I ate the whole thing in 5 minutes.
Yeah, like in 5 minutes.
I'm like Flash.
He loves blueberries.
Oh yeah, that's
They can't see you. So then you add apple juice. It's to not make it thick. I'm just gonna add the whole thing.
Bro, what are we gonna drink it?
Too late. This is enough. And then you add your cap. Mine. So there's this one. It's called close, and you put it by the thing that you like pour it, and then we go blend it.
That's not how you blend it.
So take the camera over here, Adrian.
I'm a cameraman.
Can I record the video? It's gonna be right here. No, it's not. Yeah, sure.
Hey, no.
Okay.
I'm not.
So then you plug in your thing and you blend. Don't have headphones in. There you go. And then we go into garage. Come on.
Why do a garage?
Because we have to go. Come on, hurry before Kitty goes. Or you can stay in. Doesn't matter. And then we have our food. We have so many Dutch Bros cups.
We have
And
so
like
many chips.
The Starbucks one. Some Starbucks. So we get our cup. And then we get our cap. And just get it. And we
Got a fishing thing. What is this?
It's to grab the fish when it's in there.
What's too
And
tiny?
then, I'll get a clear one for you. You get your straw. And then we go back inside.
It's hot in here.
Yeah, it's hot. And then, whoa, that looks bright. Then, okay, so you get your cup. And then you get your slushee.
And you get your butt.
Ew.
Sorry, guys.
He is weird. Ow. Weird is cool. And then you pour it. Oh.
Stop.
Pour it in. Oh, there's a little too much.
Oopsie. A little accident there.
Okay, so then I'll do the rest from mine because I have a little bit. So this is how his looks. And mine's a little darker. Cause I have
This
more.
one's mine? I have a spoon. You gotta drink this quickly?
Yeah.
I cannot do that.
Or not quickly, but kind of. Then you always clean up after yourself.
That's so disgusting.
He's just kidding.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
And then mine, I don't know why,
Ew.
but there's writing on mine. And it says, Happy birthday.
It's not even your birthday yet.
I know. Let me try yours.
That's the same thing.
More blueberries. Mine has more raspberries. And Adrian has more like strawberries and blueberries. Here's yours.
I want it. Oh, instead we have 2 days to go off of school.
Not 2 days, this whole week.
2 weeks?
And cheers.
Cheers. Wait, oh, okay. Cheers. Oh, that's fun. That's fun.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you press the subscribe button and turn on those post notifications. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.